It's really important to talk about how the climate change is affecting our coast in Mexico, because every year we have hurricanes and we have three important oceans in Mexico. One is the Pacific, other is the Gulf of Mexico, and we have the Caribbean. Every year we are receiving the impact from May 15 that starts the hurricane season to 13 November. We are living important hurricanes like Otis. The last 2 years we received also a hurricane named John. Both affected Acapulco. Otis affected with heavy winds. It was a hurricane 5 in the Saffir-Simpson scale that destroyed home, killed people. And the last year we have John with inundation and water affecting our coast of Mexico. So we need to work to improve what's happening with the climate change and the temperatures that are rising in the Pacific Ocean, because we have temperatures of 30 degrees when Otis affected Acapulco. It's very important to tell people what they have to do before receiving the impact of a hurricane. They have to know what to do before the hurricane comes to their coasts, how to prevent these phenomena like hurricanes, like tropical storms, tropical depressions. So I'm telling constantly what they have to do so they don't be affected by the hurricanes.